guys, Giselle here. So today I'm going to show you how to process the standard append finding email. So before we proceed, let's define what data append is. So data append is a process that makes an existing database better by filling in missing details and updating and correcting existing information such as names, addresses, and contact details. So why do you need this tool? So let's say you own a business and you have a list of prospects, you have their names and address, but you don't have their email address, which you badly needed so you can send them your campaigns. Let's say you are launching a new product or you're about to announce your biggest sale of the year. So this is the best tool for you. So now I'll teach you how to use our data append tool. So just go to searchbug.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you have to sign up as their website is set to be self-service. So once you're in, you'll see your name here at the top right corner. So for data appending, we need to go to Business Services and append contact list. So you'll be directed to this page. You can scroll down to see how this tool works. So we have 5 steps here. We'll go through them later. And we also have a pricing calculator available that you can utilize so you can know the estimated cost of your batch. So let's say you have 1,000 records. For finding emails, the match rate is 32%. Expected hit 320 and the cost is $57. The rate per hit is 18 cents. So here at Searchbug, we only charge if there's a hit. A hit is when we find matching results for a record in your list. Also, our pricing is based on monthly volume. The more records that you have, the cheaper it will be. So let's go ahead and process the file now. This is actually an easy process. You just have to upload your file. It can be in text, CSV, or Excel format. Just click choose file and then click continue. Okay, so step 2 would be identifying your columns. So I have a list of names and addresses here. Make sure that the first and last name are in separate columns, as well as the address, city, state, and zip code. Otherwise, the system will not read your file. Also, if you have other columns on your file like reference numbers or customer IDs or tracking numbers, you can go ahead and label them as others. So let's proceed to step 3, which is reviewing our options. Okay, there you go. So we have 2 categories here, standard append and premium append. So standard append, this is actually, these are data from public sources, while the premium batch, this is more expensive than the standard one. It pulls from private and secure data sources and is the highest quality data available on the market. But this video is about finding emails in standard append, so we'll choose the standard one. Okay, so for finding emails, we have 2 options here. Find email address from person's name and address. So you'll see the cost of your batch and the match rate. So this one is only 18%. Let's try the other one. Find email address from person's name, city, and state. So they are the same cost, and this one has a higher match rate, so we'll use this one and click process your data. You can also see the estimated time processing of your batch. Now let's check the status. So just click the drop-down button beside your name and go to dashboard. So on this page, you'll see the list of your batch. You can also monitor the status of your batch here. You'll see how long the batch has been running and how much time is left. This is the file that we uploaded earlier. As you can see, it's already completed and it only took 9 seconds and got 0 results as I only made up the names and addresses on this file. So once your file is completed, you can go ahead and download the result. Just click this one and you'll also receive a confirmation email with the download link. So it's pretty easy, right? This data append tool is perfect for anyone that needs to fill in missing data or updated and correct contact information. That's it for today. I hope you find this helpful and thank you so much for watching.